How's everyone, Grant here, welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'll be checking out the all-new Sony Xperia 1 Mark II cameras. And so I literally just got this, I literally just unboxed this about an hour ago, and I'm already taking it out. I want to try out these cameras. So I'll be taking a bunch of photos and videos, and let's see what these cameras can do here. I'm really not expecting a lot from this front-facing camera because it's pretty much the same one that was on the Mark I from last year, and that wasn't very good. But Sony's really concentrated on these rear cameras, so let's go ahead and check out and see what these things can do. Alright, so these are the rear-facing cameras on the Xperia 1 Mark II, and this being recorded in 4K. So let's see how this compares back to that front-facing camera that was in 1080p, but this should be looking a lot better. But again, I'm not really sure. I'm having to blindly face this at me, so let's see how my video selfie taking skills are. But again, just a quick sample from the rear-facing cameras in comparison to that front camera you just saw.
That sound, I got that heat, let's go. That sound, I got that heat, let's go.
so that was a quick camera test of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. Now that you've seen all the photos and videos for yourself, what do you think? Do you think the Camera Pro app in auto mode was that much better than the stock camera app? Also, what do you think about the cinema footage from the Cinema Pro app? 21:9 aspect ratio there. And don't worry, there's going to be a lot more photos and videos coming to the channel. I've got some camera comparisons coming with this phone. So let me know what you thought about how these cameras performed in this initial test. Also, any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.